Okay, now all of you see here, this is your exercise 5G. Before starting exercise 5G, I will explain one basic formula. That formula all of you see here. A square, just wait. Okay, a square plus b square is equals to a plus b and a minus b. This is your very important formula. Okay, a square plus, sorry, here just write down by mistake here, just a square minus b square. Okay, this formula is a square minus b square is equals to a plus b and a minus b. Understood all of you? Actually, based on that formula only, we are just going to start each and every questions. जो भी क्वेश्चंस है आपके सामने है एक्सरसाइज 5G में, that each and every question are related to same formula only. So all of you just note down this formula first of all, and after that we'll start our exercise questions. Okay? Yes. Now we'll start our exercise questions. See here all of you. Okay. So your first question, that is find the following products. Okay? Find the following products. So all of you see here. First question, that is x plus 2 and multiply x minus 2. What is the answer of this question? Yes, see here all of
X
you.
square minus 4.
Very
X
good.
square
But
minus
just okay, just wait. Whenever I will ask you questions, in that time give you answers. Now see here, x plus 2 and x minus 2 is there, correct? So obviously we can say this is considered a and this is considered b. So a plus b and a minus b. What is the formula? A plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So write down here x square minus 2 square. But that is your complete answer? No, this is not your complete answer, because x square value we can write down x square only, but minus write down as it is, and 2 square is equals to 4. Write down 2 square is equals to 4. That is your complete answer. Very, very easy question. Similar way we have to use that formula, and same question, same answer will comes out. Let's see next question. Okay. Second part, that is d minus 8 and d plus 8. So what is the answer of this question? Now just check it here again. Here we are considered d is equals to a and 8 is equals to b. So that means we can say d square, है ना? D square, first number square minus second number square. That means d square, that is d square only, and 8 square is equals to 64. Yes, we can say 8 square is equals to 64, and that is your 100% correct answer. Okay, no issue, very simple. Now we'll move next question. Let's see. इसी वे में आप सारे क्वेश्चन करने हैं हम. थर्ड पार्ट, that is 5 plus 9m and 5 minus 9m. Okay, now tell me students, what is this? What is the answer of this question? Write down in chat option. Whatever answer will come, you have to write down in chat option. Very easy question. Okay? Tell me what is the answer fast. Whatever your chat option is there, just write down your answer. I will wait you. What happened? I think not have. Sometimes maybe blur. Yes, Muskan, tell me answer fast. Very simple question. 5 plus 9m and 5 minus 9m. What is the answer of this question? Yes, students. Only m. Lavangshi, only m. How it is possible? Yes. Here I am seeing many of the students giving answer 25 minus 81 m square. Yes. So all of you match your answers. First of all, first number square, that is 5 square, minus second number square, that is 9m का whole square. Actually आप लोग इसमें गलती करते हो. You are just finding only 9 square. आप m square find ही नहीं करते हो. So obviously you have to find out 5 square, that is 25, and 9 square, that is 81, and m square also. So your answer will be 25 minus 81 m square. That is your 100% correct answer. Now we'll move next part, fourth part. See here. Now in fourth part, that is x square plus y square and x square minus y square. That is your question. Okay, so how you solve the question? See, similar way we have to find out. Consider करो सबसे पहले x square is equals to a and y square is equals to b. Correct? Now write down a square. A square means x square का whole square. Try to understand. X square का whole square. This is a square minus b square. So here b is equals to y square. Write down this is b and again whole square. ठीक है? Now x to the power 4 because 2 2 ja 4 minus y to the power 4. That is your complete answer. Yes, we can say the answer is x to the power 4 and y to the power 4, and that is your complete correct answer. Here one student is there, I am seeing, Dilip. In each and every class your complaint is coming. Now from now onwards I will tell you, if you not concentrate in your class, so I will explain now only. Okay, so just check it and concentrate here each and every question. And I'm seeing here a lot of students are there that is very intelligent and you are doing all the questions in a proper manner. So all of you do like this only. Okay, so let's see. Dilip, not send any messages. Understood? आपका मैसेज कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए मुझे यहाँ पे चैट काउंटर में. Okay, now see here next question. Okay, so next question, that is we can say, if I take question number 5th part, that is 2 upon 5 AB minus C and again 2 upon 5 AB plus C. That is your question. Okay, 2 upon 5 AB minus C and 2 upon 5 AB plus C. Very simple question. Now see here all of you, again same way, this whole term you have to consider as A. This whole term you will consider as A and this C as a B. So just write down 2 upon 5 AB whole square, first number square minus second number square. Second number square means C square. Okay. Now write down here 2 ka square, that is 4, 5 ka square, that is 25. Okay. A square also and B square also, because this each and every term square will be there. जब भी आपके सामने कोई ब्रैकेट में होगा ना, that means that each and every factor square will be there. Understood? Now we can say yes, your answer is correct. I am seeing here. Now minus C square. So the answer will be 4 upon 25 A square B square minus C square, and that is your 100% correct answer. Okay. All of you understood this question? I hope no issue is there. So this question number first, I hope all of you understood. और इस टाइप का जो भी questions remaining है, like question number 6 part, that you have to solve yourself only. Okay, no issue. Very good. Now we'll move next question. Let's see. Okay, now next question. See here. Okay, so second question, let's see in this second question what the question says. In second question, that same thing you have to do. Find the following products. क्या करना है आपको? Find the following products. So, first question, a plus 1, a minus 1 and a square plus 1. And I'm seeing here continuously मेरा बोलने से ज्यादा आप लोगों का चैट काउंटर में ज्यादा मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं. All of you stop. Just not send any single message. Okay, Divyanshu, not send any message. Whenever I will ask that answer, in that time just message. In that time only messages. Okay, send messages. Otherwise not send any messages. Understood? Okay. Divyanshu के बाद मुझे एक भी मैसेज नहीं चाहिए अभी. Okay, now see here. A plus 1, A minus 1, A square plus 1. Now you have to just concentrate in your mind and try to think how we will solve the question. Obviously, if you observe properly, ये दो जो आपके सामने फैक्टर है ना, this will make a one formula. Which formula? A plus B and A minus B. Yes or no? देखो ये A plus B, A minus B ये बन रहा है. We can say A square minus 1 square, and we know 1 square is equals to 1 only. Yes or no? A square minus 1 square and give bracket, and here A square plus 1. Now if you observe again, this is also making another formula. कौन सा formula? Same formula only. देखो first A minus 1 या A minus B and here A plus B. Yes or no? देखो अच्छे से A minus B and this is A plus B. So the formula is equals to A square minus B square. But here we are considered A square is equals to A. तो इसको क्या करना पड़ेगा आपको? Whole square minus B square, and B is equals to here as a considered 1. That's why we are written here A square का whole square minus 1 square. So write down A to the power 4 minus 1. That is your 100% correct answer. Okay, understood all of you? Okay, I think now I will remove from this group only that Dilip Kumar, because you are not listening a single thing, है ना? आपको सुनना ही नहीं है. Okay, now see all of you. Next question, question number second part. Let's see. Second part is there. What is the question? Let's see. In this question, that is given A plus X, A minus X, and A square plus X square. That is your question. If you observe here, the same question is this. First question and second question, both questions are the same. Okay, so all of you tell me what is the answer of this question now. Now you can message. Tell me what is the answer of this question. Very simple question is. Tell me what is the answer. Tell me what is the answer of this question. Okay, Divyanshu already given answer. Very good. Let's see. Next one. Who give the answers? Very simple question. A plus X multiply A minus X and A square plus X square. What is the answer of this question? Very simple question. Okay. Okay, see here all of you. So here, again similar way, we will consider this is A plus B and this is A minus B. Correct? This is A plus B and this is A minus B. And formula I think all of you know. What is the formula? A square minus B square. Then, and this term, this we can say this factor you have to write down as it is. A square plus X square. Then now again similar way, this is A, this is B, so we can say this is A minus B and this is A plus B. Same formula we will use again. So what is the formula? A square का whole square minus X square का whole square. Yes or no? A square minus B square. So the answer will be A to the power 4 minus X to the power 4. That is your correct answer. But here Divyanshu something, your answer is wrong. Okay, your answer is obviously wrong because A to the power 8 is not there. This is A to the power 4. Okay, understood? Okay. Dharmender, you are also wrong. A to the power 8, no, this is A to the power 4 minus X to the power 4. Okay, now we'll move next question. Let's see. Now next question, third part. X minus 1 upon X, after that X plus 1 upon X and X square plus 1 upon X square. The same question. Okay, so all of you see here properly. The same question we can say. This is A minus B, A plus B, and this is a square plus b square. Okay, now students, a minus b, a plus b is equals to, we can say, a square minus b square. What is the answer? A square minus b square. But actually मैं आपको बार बार इस चीज को कंफर्म कर रहा हूं, in each and every question your a and b, that both values are different, है ना. Similar way here a is equals to consider x and b is equals to consider 1 upon x. So we can say x square minus 1 upon x square, because the formula again I am telling you, a square minus b square. So these two part completed, these two part completed. Now remaining that I have to write down as it is. Then यहाँ तो कोई issue नहीं है. Okay, now all of you see here. Here we are consider x square is equals to again a and 1 upon x square is equals to b. तो क्या formula? a minus b and a plus b. Again I am telling you, this is a consider, this is b. So formula we know already, a minus b and a plus b is equals to a square minus b square. So we can write down here x square whole raised to the power 2, because x square minus 1 x square का whole square. So the answer will be x to the power 2 to the 4 and here 1 upon x to the power 4, and that is your 100% correct answer. Okay, no issue. Very good. Okay, no issue. Now we'll move next question. Yes friends, yes, Divyanshu, correct answer. Very good. Okay. Now we'll move next question. Let's see what is the next question. Actually ना इसका जो pattern है ना, that patterns are not different. Same pattern is there. And another thing I'm telling you, those students are joined very late. आप लोग मैं अभी भी देख रहा हूँ, many students are joining very late. So you can't understand. If you not join in perfect time, आपका timing है 10:35 to 10:40. तो उन 5 मिनट का बीच में आप ज्वाइन करने का कोशिश करो. Otherwise 100% this is your mathematics. And in mathematics, if you not understand the basic thing, अगर मैं आपको बताया नहीं होगा formula a minus b, a plus b, so how you understood? Yes or no? So that's why you have to join within 5 minutes only. So let's see. Next question, fourth part, that is x cube minus 1 x cube. Wait students, again, okay. After that, this is x cube plus 1 upon x cube, and here x to the power 6 plus 1 upon x to the power 6, and that is your question. Now students see here, x cube minus 1 upon x cube plus 1 upon x cube, and here x to the power 6 and 1 upon x to the power 6. So how we will solve? All of you on your camera. All of you on your front camera first. Okay, now see all of you. First of all, this is considered a plus a minus b. Okay, now this is considered a minus b and this is considered a plus b. A minus b, a plus b formula a square minus b square. मैं अभी तक एक ही फॉर्मूला में रखा हूं अभी. So we can say a square. अब देखो कैसे लिख रहा हूं. A square minus b square. Done. Give one bracket. A square minus b square. Done. Now we can say this part you have to write down as it is. So we can say x to the power 6 plus 1 upon x to the power 6. Done. Okay, no issue. Now students see, this is x to the power 6 we can say. है ना? 3 2 ja 6. Similar way here also 1 upon x to the power 6, because 3 multiplied 2, that is 6. Okay, give bracket. And here this is as it is. Now all of you see any formula making, a minus b and a plus b. Same things are repeating. Same things are repeating. That's why we can say this is a minus b, this is a plus b. So we can say we can say again a square minus b square. and the answer will be, क्या होगा आंसर, x to the power 12, because 6 2 is 12 minus 1 upon x to the power 12, and that is your 100% correct answer. I'm write down here x to the power 12 minus 1 upon x to the power 12. Okay, no issue, very easy, very good. चलो, अब मुझे नहीं लगता है इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन और मुझे कराना चाहिए, बिकॉज 100% श्योर दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस यू अंडरस्टूड वेरी वेल, एंड इस टाइप का कोई भी क्वेश्चन दे दूं so you can easily find out the answer. Okay, now I will tell you next question, question number 3. So let's start question number 3. Okay, so all of you ready for that question number 3, yes or no? Okay, just wait. Yes, all of you ready for that question number 3? Question number, still question number 2.
Yes.
No doubt is there na? Very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we'll start question number 3. But question number 3 में भी आपको अच्छे से देखना पड़ेगा what is the pattern of the question. What is the pattern of the question? So in this question says, question number 3, using the identity for the difference of the two square find the given expression, है ना? What is the meaning of the question? We have to use identity and make one pattern. कैसे? See, we have to think, sorry, 18 and 20 is the number, and in between 18 and 20 what is the number? Obviously we can say 20, है ना? So we can write down this 18 is equals to 20 minus 2. Can we write? क्या हम लिख सकते हैं 18 is equals to 20 minus 2? Can we write? Yes, we can write obviously. And 22 is equals to, we can write down 20 plus 2. This is also possible because 18 is equals to 20 minus 2 and 22 is equals to 20 plus 2. आप बोलोगे sir why you written this? Because this is formula a minus b and a plus b. Yes or no? We know this formula. Again I am writing here a minus b and a plus b is equals to a square minus b square. इस पैटर्न में आपको फाइंड करना है. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी जस्ट राइट डाउन हियर फॉर्मूला इज ए स्क्वायर मींस फर्स्ट नंबर स्क्वायर माइनस सेकेंड नंबर स्क्वायर. ओके, फर्स्ट नंबर स्क्वायर माइनस सेकेंड नंबर स्क्वायर. नाउ ऑल ऑफ यू फाइंड आउट 20 का स्क्वायर दैट मीन्स 400 and 2 square that means 4. The answer will be 396 and that is your complete answer. Okay, no issue, very easy question. आपको सिर्फ पैटर्न समझना, in which pattern they are doing this question. Okay, yes or no? Thumbs up like this if you understood the pattern. Okay, very good, very good. Now see, actually again I'm telling you, many students again I'm seeing are joined now only, so they can't understand obviously. If you join from first onwards, so obviously this is a very easy question for you. अभी तक शायद यही क्वेश्चन आपके सामने बहुत इजी है इस चैप्टर में. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, लेट्स सी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सेज 101 multiply 99. Next question is 101 multiply 99. Now think again, which is the number? Which is the number that is we can write down like this? Just wait. Yes, which is the number we can write down that plus 1 and minus 1? Yes, yes. What's your name? Sanskriti. Just wait, Sanskriti. I can't from. Okay, write down in chat option. Sanskriti, write down in chat option. Yes, already given answer. Many of the student. B2 Kumari 9999. That is the answer. Okay. Very good. Okay. Very good. So see here all of you. Actually इस क्वेश्चन को आपको मल्टीप्लीकेशन बिल्कुल नहीं करना है like this. 101 multiply by 99. If you do like this, the answer, whatever your answer will become, like suppose 9999 will come 9999. इस तरीके से अगर अपने करा ना, so your marks will be 0. But if you do with the help of identity, then I will give you marks. Understood how? Let's see. First of all, 101 we can write down 100 plus 1. 101 we can write down 100 plus 1, and 99 we can write down 100 minus 1. Yes or no? Can we write? Yes, obviously we can write. Now we just write down a plus b and a minus b. So write down here 100 ka square, a square minus b square. Give bracket. Okay. Now 100 square means 10,000, and minus 1, that is, we can say 9,999. That is your 100% correct answer. Okay, that already were given in chat option. I see many of the students same answer is given. Very good. Okay, so question number 3, second part completed. So remaining whatever part is there. Okay, see, listen. Actually, question number 1, 2, and 3. Remaining parts, that is your homework. All of you note down. That is your homework. Remaining parts. Okay. So I hope today all of you understood each and every question.